All right, so in this video, we're doing another missed maintenance item that a lot of people don't do. Dealers love to charge you for it, but people just don't do it if they service the vehicle themselves. So we're gonna come over to the passenger side. We're gonna open the door. And then down here, we have our cabin air filter. This is the Bosch one. Got it off Amazon, next day delivery. Really doesn't matter on brand too much on your cabin filter. It matters more that you put it in right and that you're actually changing it. So we just got back off another trip from Moab, lots of dirt, tons of dirt. So open your glove box, and then you'll see you have this compartment back here, which is 2 latches. You're gonna pull off that cover. All right, after you removed your glove box cover, you're gonna go ahead and remove the next cover, which is the actual cabin airbox cover. So 2 tabs, just pull this back. This thing pops out of the way. You may have to fight to pull this out, or it may come out relatively easy. But pull this sucker out, and then let's see how dirty this thing is after basically a year and a half. So, pretty filthy. That's a year and a half. Definitely time for a change. Here is a quick comparison between the two, the Bosch and the A Premium. The A Premium was pretty solid with borders all the way around. The Bosch does not have all the side parts, which I don't really think matters because there's supports in there. Big thing is it tells you which way it needs to go when you put it in. So airflow down. Let's go ahead and slide this baby back in. Now it's installed and you are good to go. But as you can see, this needs to happen at least every year. Or you're going to end up with horrible air filters like this. And this helps keep the air in your car fresh. When you're running your AC or running your heat, this is what you want to be clean. So replace it. It's cheap. Don't let the dealer do it. They'll overcharge you. This is easy money. It takes literally a minute, minute and a half.